In this video, I'll show you how to create YouTube Shorts with Kling AI step by step. First, open Kling AI and start a new video project. Before generating your video, decide what type of short-form content you want to create. Since YouTube Shorts are designed for quick viewing, start with a simple idea that can be understood quickly. You can create cinematic scenes, realistic characters, product videos, storytelling clips, action scenes, or other creative content. Now write a focused prompt. Describe the subject, action, environment, camera movement, lighting, and visual style. Keep the scene simple so Kling AI can concentrate on the main action. For example, you could write, a young traveler standing on a mountain at sunrise, strong wind moving their jacket, dramatic clouds in the background, cinematic lighting. And a slow camera push-in. If you're creating a vertical short, make sure your overall concept works well in a portrait-style composition. Keep the main subject clearly visible and avoid placing important details too close to the edges. After entering your prompt, generate the video and wait for Kling AI to finish processing. Once the clip is ready, preview it carefully. Check the character, motion, background, camera movement, and overall visual quality. If the result isn't right, improve the prompt and generate another version. Focus on fixing one problem at a time instead of changing the entire prompt. For shorts, you can also create several short AI clips and combine them later in a video editor. This gives you more control over pacing, transitions, music, captions, and the final story. Try to make the opening moment visually interesting because the first few seconds are important for keeping viewers engaged.